Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food. And did you know that this little guy right here, this was my most popular recipe of 2023. The numbers were tallied, the votes are in, and the award goes to peanut butter protein balls.
They like you, they really like you.
There's a reason these little treats were so popular. They taste delicious, they're easy to make, and they're a great way to get a little more protein into your diet. So let me show you how to make them. Since these are peanut butter protein balls, we are using 2/3 cup of creamy peanut butter. Now pay attention to how goopy or not your peanut butter is, because that will come into play a little later on. This is the Santa Cruz no stir, so it's not particularly oily. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to melt this together, and I'm just doing it in the microwave until it can be nicely stirred together. And once they're well melted, you just want to stir them together until smooth. Do keep in mind that you do not have to use peanut butter here. You can use almond butter. You can really use any nut butter. Now we can add our protein powder. This is 3/4 cup unflavored whey protein powder. You can use other protein powders here as well. You can use egg white protein, you can use plant-based protein, anything will work. Now we're gonna add some sweetener, and I definitely recommend a powdered or a liquid sweetener to keep things from being gritty, and this is 1/3 cup of Swerve Confectioners. And you're gonna need a little bit of flour to help firm it up, so this is 1/4 cup of almond flour. You can also use 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, or you can try peanut flour. Now I'm going to give these a little bit of an extra protein boost with some hemp seeds. This is 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, and hemp has a remarkable amount of protein for such little guys. You don't have to add this if you don't want to, but I think it gives it a nice little crunch, a little texture. It's delicious. And because my peanut butter was unsalted, I'm going to add about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. If your peanut butter is already salted, you may not want to do that. Now you're just going to work it all in together until you have a stiff dough. And oops, I almost forgot to add some extract. Now normally I put vanilla in these, but I thought today it might be nice to put in some caramel extract. Caramel and peanut butter go very well together, so that's 1 teaspoon. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells like cookies. Yum. Now this dough is delicious just as it is, but if you want to jazz it up a little, you can add some chocolate chips. So I have 1/4 cup of chocolate chips here, and I just want to work that in throughout the dough. Now we're ready to roll our dough into balls. This is where the consistency of your nut butter or peanut butter comes in. If your dough is a little too crumbly and you're having trouble forming balls, you want to add a little extra oil. If, on the other hand, it is too goopy and it's sticking to your hands too much, you want to add a little extra flour. This seems to be just about perfect. I'm rolling it into balls, my hands stay relatively clean, and that looks good. Now you will notice one thing that I do is I warm the dough with my hands before I roll it into balls. So I kind of toss it back and forth between my hands and squeeze it together, and then I do the rolling. And that usually makes for the right size and right consistency. Now you can make these peanut butter balls as big or as small as you like. I like to make them about 1 inch, and that way I get about 20 balls, and a serving size is 2. Then you just want to take your completed balls, and I just like saying that word, and put them on a wax paper or parchment paper lined baking sheet or tray. Okay, there we go. I've got 20 perfect protein balls, and I'm going to pop them in the fridge for about an hour to firm up. Okay, are you ready for the most popular recipe of 2023? Here we go. Let's take a bite. It's like peanut butter cookie dough. And I have to say that my inclusion of caramel extract instead of vanilla really inspired. That's delicious. We're gonna try to juggle them. Okay. Oh.
Face is priceless.
I'm sure it is, especially if I'm going like this.
Exactly.
That is in lieu of a protein ball dance. For this delicious, low-carb, high-protein snack and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.